Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add your phone number in your Google Meet application. So first, head into your Meet application and then make sure that you have already logged in the right Google account for use. I want you to click the profile icon that you can see in the top right corner of the screen. And after clicking this, you will see this tab, which is indicated as Add Your Phone Number. Click this, and then it will show you a screen where you have to add your phone number. Just type in your phone number, and then click the continue button. And that's it. That's how you can add your phone number in your Google Meet application or in your Google Meet account. And thank you for listening.